The real power of Copilot is not only answering questions, it helps connect work across apps, creating a seamless bridge between tasks, tools, and teams. Imagine your work flowing automatically, with every step guided and accelerated by intelligent automation. Workflow automation means letting Copilot handle the routine. Tasks like preparing project updates, turning scattered meeting notes into detailed reports, creating agendas, summarizing conversations, and organizing next steps, all can be streamlined. No more copying, pasting, or switching between windows. You set the process. Copilot connects the dots. Let's see how this works in the real world. A manager requests create a weekly status report using meeting notes, emails, and project updates. Instantly, Copilot draws from Teams, Outlook, and SharePoint. In moments, scattered information transforms into a polished report, ready for review. Next, an HR professional asks, create an onboarding checklist for a new employee. Copilot builds a tailored checklist, sends a welcome email, and drafts a training plan, all based on templates and previous interactions. Automation makes onboarding effortless and organized. In IT, an admin needs to communicate a technical change. Create a change management communication draft from these technical notes. Copilot takes complex terms and shapes them into user-friendly messages, converting technical details into clear instructions. To automate, follow these steps. Identify your repeated task. Collect the source information, meeting notes, emails, project updates. Write a clear prompt. What do you want Copilot to create? Ask Copilot for structure. Let it organize the information, review the output, adjust for accuracy, and convert results into an email, document, or presentation. Picture Word, Outlook, Teams, and Planner, all connected by dynamic, moving data streams. Information flows from task boards to your inbox, from notes to polished reports, faster and smarter. Remember, automation starts with good process thinking. If your workflow is unclear, Copilot's output will reflect that. Define your process, set clear expectations, and let Copilot handle the routine. Copilot automation helps professionals spend less time preparing work and more time making decisions. It's the future of productivity, where your ideas move faster, your teams collaborate smarter, and your workflows stay a step ahead. What's your most repeated daily task? Comment below, like, share, and subscribe to Idris Tech for more solutions that transform your work.